What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. And today is a very cool day because if you guys remember the last video, we tore down the hot side of the 1JZ, and I didn't really reveal what kind of car we're actually going to be putting it in. But today we are actually, my dad and I are in about an hour or two are going to head over and look at a possible chassis for this engine. And I don't know if I'm going to show you guys yet, but I will take you guys along with me and we will get some video of the car, and hopefully we'll be bringing it back and maybe we'll unveil it today. I don't know, we'll see. Also, another thing that I wanted to show you guys is I am wearing one of the first sample hats for Kanji Customs. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post about Kanji Customs. That is my brand, and my partner is Shane. You guys have seen Shane in the videos. We are starting a clothing brand, and I'm wearing one of the sample hats that we've got, and we call this the sushi hat. Funny story behind this hat. I will tell you guys about that later, but we're starting to get samples in. We're starting to get some stuff in, and I'm really stoked to show you guys some of the stuff going forward. So stay tuned on Instagram. I'm posting stuff all over there, and if you want to follow the Instagram, it's kanji.customs, and you guys can go ahead and follow the Instagram and check out some of the new releases that we'll be doing, hopefully going forward. Now, we're gonna go ahead and sit back and relax and wait. Like I said, we're going to meet this guy at 3 o'clock, which is pretty soon, so I will bring you guys along. So let's get it. Next thing you guys will see, we'll be going to look at the car. All right, guys, we are on our way. We are going to look at the car. Pretty psyched. Hopefully, I think we both are in agreement the car is pretty good. It's just obviously looking at, you know, cosmetically if the car is good, but I think we're probably pretty set on buying it. It just, if anything weird is wrong with it. So we're on our way right now. We're gonna meet the guy here in about 40 minutes. So we'll see you guys in a second. All right, boys and girls, I am sitting in the brand new car. I'm not gonna show you guys what it is just yet, but we just bought it. I'm super, super stoked. I can't wait. Let's start it up. Hold on, let's start it up. Woo, she started. Dad's following me right now. We're gonna take it back to the shop, and the next thing you guys will see is when we get back, and I'll unveil the car to you guys. So be right back. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I wanted to come out and shoot the M3. So there it is, guys, our brand new 2002 M3. I'm so stoked. This is my 4th E46 M3 that I've ever owned. This one, she needs some TLC, but there's a few things on her that we just need to go through and just kind of fix. The plans as far as what we're gonna do with it are pretty crazy. You guys saw the engine in the last video. That will be eventually going in this. We're thinking probably right around January is when we'll drop that in. We've got some suspension stuff that we're gonna do to the car first. Once we do the suspension stuff, then in January, we're gonna put the car down and actually have the engine put in. So let's walk through some of the stuff on the car that I think is pretty cool. So let me show you guys. So obviously Still has the stock S54 in it, which will probably get yanked, like I said, in January. Stock front bumper has some road rash on the bumper, but we're probably gonna go ahead and replace this and put a brand new bumper on it. We are planning to do a wide body kit. I will not say what wide body kit yet, but this will probably all get fixed, or a brand new bumper. We're not sure yet. Also too, like, the fender here has some damage, but again, gonna get cut and put in a wide body anyway, so not a huge deal. Some dents and dings here, which we'll probably end up fixing at a body shop. Again, the rear bumper, probably gonna get a whole new rear bumper, has some dings and stuff in it, just like that. Same thing with the rear quarter panel here. So again, this is actually gonna get cut and replaced with the wide body fender anyway, so we're not really worried about this so much. Just stuff, little stuff, you know, things that can be completely fixed, or once we do the wide body, it's not gonna matter anyways. We'll probably do, this is a wrap on the trunk. Someone had a big spoiler. You guys can see the holes. This is a wrap. So what we'll do is we'll pull this off. We're gonna do a carbon trunk on it, so this won't really matter much either. So just, you know, it already has I believe a Manzo exhaust on it, which is a titanium, I believe. We may leave this on, I'm not sure. Blacked out taillights, which are already on the car, and a couple other things. Just kind of a really cool car. The interior has Sparco seats already. Now these Sparcos, I'm not sure. Let me show you guys. Not quite sure, you know, if we're gonna keep these or not. Interior wise, a lot of this is gonna get, so we're gonna block all this off. So none of this is actually gonna be a thing here. These will all get blocked off. Steering wheel will probably replace too as well. So just a couple things that we'll probably go through. And then there goes the key. But yeah guys, so this right here, these seats are probably gonna be for sale. We're not gonna keep these in the car, but for now, we'll probably keep them in. And I'll let you guys take a look at them. So pretty nice looking seats, but again, we're not gonna keep these. We're probably gonna do some type of racing bucket, maybe some Sparcos, maybe some Recaros, not sure yet. But overall, I think we're probably gonna end up gutting the car. We're still trying to kind of on the fence on what we want to do with it, but we're thinking maybe gut it. But I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys let me know down in the comments what you think we should do. Like I said, this is gonna be a wide body kit, 1JZ. So right now, but there she is as she sits, and I'm so excited to show you guys more of the car in this build series. I'm super stoked. I love E46 M3s. Everyone knows this, and I'm so excited to build this car on the channel for you guys and time attack this thing, because that's exactly what we're building this for. So with that, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I love you guys. Thank you so much, everyone who's subscribed and liked the videos. And if you're excited about this build, let me know. We also have some other stuff coming forward too as well. You know, just stay tuned. Like and sub, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Love you.